Hey guys, Orange Hat Vlogger here, and I'm here because, dun dun dun, it has arrived! My packages have arrived! Yes. So, I got a big, long one, and then I have a small, not long one. Yes. Oh yes, beautiful boxes. I'm guessing this has the tripod in it and this has the camcorder in it. So I will open this one first. Ooh, knife. Yes. Time to open the box. Stop! But why? Because this is what happens if you don't use the small knives. Okay. I am going to not use the kukri. I'm going to use these small, reasonable knives, no blood. Okay. I'm not quite sure how I'm going to do this. I'm going to have to do this one-handed. That'll be interesting. Woohoo! So I guess, not that one. I will use this one. Ugh. Decision 1, done. What else needs to be cut? You need to be cut. Okay. How does this freaking box open? Oh. Okay. And we're back. And this is kind of hard to do. I don't want to ruin Todd's nice table. Yeah, on my arm. Get some more light over here. There we go. Woo! A box inside a box. Ooh! Hello, gorgeous. So this is the tripod I got. It's a Sunpack 2001 UT tripod. Sweet. So now I'll stick that to the side. We see what else is in here. Plastic! Yay! That's always fun. Whee! Anything else in there? Ooh, I see something. Maybe? Maybe? Maybe not? I'm going to stick you guys inside. Tell me if you see anything. First, how do you get a flashlight? I am your worst nightmare. Alright, let's look. See? Is there anything in there? Ooh, I think there is. There is? What is it? What is it? Huh? Oh? Really? Cool. How do I get it out? Reach my arm in there. You're not trying to get me bit, are you? You're not? You sure? Alright. Reaching my arm in. I don't know if you can see this. Ah! Just kidding. Ooh! I got a bag Case logic. Video camera. Ooh, this is my camera case. Ooh, that is small. Nice. Put that over here with that. Ignore the empty ketchup bottle. That means nothing. This has no meaning at all. Next. Is there more in there? I can't see. Light. Uh-oh. Maybe if I turn the light on first, it'll work. I see more packaging. Let's dive in. Hey! Some pack something? I see a zipper. Maybe this is a tripod bag. I was supposed to come with one. And is there anything more? Ah, something hit my arm. Something hit my arm! Something hit my arm. What is it? Oh, my memory card. I got a Transcend Ultimate 16 gigabyte. Focus? No? Okay. And now that's it. Maybe some more packaging at the bottom. Let's check. I can't get anything. Open the other side. I wonder how many times I'm going to stop this video on accident. Now I am doing this upside down. By the way, I do not recommend opening a box by just looking at the video screen. It's a bad idea. I'm a man. Manly man. Open box. More packaging. Anything else? No. All right. Now, for the camera. Yeah. Then the first incision, the most dangerous. Cut towards yourself, and then the second incision. This is more difficult than it looks. When you're holding the camera with your one hand and you're trying to cut with the other hand, and see what you're doing, not cut off anything important. Right side up. Opening it. Okay. Peanuts. Bleh. Do not eat. Do not eat. Yeah. And there we you see thingy. The first signs of it are emerging. Making a mess, but I will clean it later, I guess. I really will clean it later, I just guess was the slow thing of that ride. Time to take it out. Yep, it's a Panasonic. The HDC SD80 high definition video camera. Is there actually a picture on this somewhere? Yes. Cool. Anything else in here? Doesn't appear to be. Alright. The Panasonic. Okay, so we have a Panasonic HDC SD80 high definition video camera. Camascope Hayute Definizione. Something, I don't know. SD80. It has its full HD, which you can't really read because this camera sucks. It's my phone. What do you expect? I'll read it for you. Full Plini? That must be the other language. Full HD 920 by 1080. That's 1080p. That's 1080i actually. HD video. It's with 42 zoom. Intelligent zoom. Okay, intelligent angle. Okay. It's got a wide angle 33.7 millimeter. It's got hybrid OIS and IA. Excuse me. There's a picture of the camera. Silver Argente SDXC up to 64 gigabyte. So as you can see, the one I got. It does not include an SD card, but that's why I bought it. Okay, it has all sorts of code stuff that I'm not going to show you. And yeah, that's the same thing. More the same stuff. Easy copy, blah, blah, blah. Anything more you need to know on the outside? There's the box. Yay! Open the box, Gordon, open the box. Why, okay, me who sounds really high-pitched and girly. Let me grab a chair. Oh, yes, Gordon, you can sit. Yay, sitting! Okay. Stop thingies open. Haha, open. Now, open. Oh, maybe this would be like the Zelda box. Nah, I don't know how to make the noise. Yeah, whatever. Hello, I am your camera box. Hello, camera box. Hello. Open me already. The viewers are getting bored. Is it getting bored? Oh, okay, sorry. Opening box. Panasonic disc thingy of some kind. Where'd it go? Oh, there it is. Panasonic, ideas for life. Fill out and return within the next 10 days. Important. We have cables. Looks like they're HDMI. Well, not HDMI, I mean HD cables. Ooh, sexy. Sexy. No? It goes to the side for now. Anything else in there, but you can push it to the side. Okay, what else we got? We've got a USB cable. Yay! What else we got? Another cable. Power cable. Sweet. This looks to be half the power cable, because I'm guessing that side doesn't go into the camera. So there should be an AC adapter in here somewhere. Yay! Yep, it's an AC adapter. Buggy thingy. Yay! Hopefully that can do live charging while I'm recording, because that would be handy. And I am not sure what this is. If anyone knows what this is, post it in the comments. I think that's it. Okay, now for this side. Oh, is anything back there? Aha, something's back here. Hiding. What is this? The battery. Yay, battery! Yay! And the camera itself. This is really kind of making me nervous doing this one-handed. Yeah, whatever. I'll just do it. Oh. And that box is now empty! By the way, I am just looking at this through my phone's screen, so I don't really, so what I see is what you see. Oh, la, 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 la. There it is. You said ship with the lens thing closed. Well, this thing looks pristine though, so cool. Oh, la, 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 la. La, 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 la. Okay, that's where this is the SD card slot. That's obviously where the battery goes. This seems to be a selector to
between video, camera mode, and playback over there. There's the pushy button thingy that makes things happen, assumably. This seems to be a dedicated camera button, so I can take pictures whenever. Use zoom. 42x zoom. I zoom, apparently. Why is everything I these days? Panasonic. Okay, this is DCN. That comes open like that. Cool. That's the lens cap. Opening and closer. Open, close. On the front, we have the light and some optical zoom information and the microphone. Let's open up this screen. Oh, you can see some more controls in here. Okay, we got USB, we got the IA manual button by my thumb. Then we got an OIS, power button, HDMI, AV multi, and the battery release thingy. There's the screen. That's a touch screen, so I'll be able to use that to touch things. I'll be touching you like that. Hopefully a little general, maybe. There's the strap for my hand, and yeah, that's pretty much the outside of the camera. I'm gonna stop you for a second while I plug the battery in and see if I can get it, working. Okay, I have now plugged it in. I have installed the memory card. I set the time, the date, and the general location. Just wanted to know, what time zone and stuff. So that's all I've done. So the rest of this you're going to discover with me. Alright, so here is the screen. Yeah, it looks pretty from my angle. From yours, it might not, because, yeah, it's not going to. But I've got some, I can zoom in and out from the screen. Like I said, it's a touch screen. I can start the recording, which I won't hear because I don't want this to be my first video from it. There's some sort of menu thingy, I think. Ooh. There's some features that I don't really understand yet. See those data at the bottom. And menu. Touchscreen is a little bit finicky, but that's okay. Record setup. Scene mode. And okay, so it's got scene mode, zoom mode, record mode, face recognition, name display, face framing, hybrid OIS, OIS lock display, fade, no, fade color, guidelines, yes, thank you. Whoa. I don't know. Let's try that, see what those like. It's AGS, I don't know what AGS is. Awesome Grandma Superstar, yeah. Backlight compensation, tele macro, video light, auto. That means if it gets dark, it should automatically turn the light on. See, there's the light. Cool. Shooting guide on. Okay, whatever that is. And yeah, back to the menu. Exit. Oh, okay, yeah, that's what I want, I think. But yeah, I'm gonna play around with this now, and you will see some new video from this very soon. After this one, because I think this is enough footage for one vlog. But my next vlog will be using this baby. Yeah! And that's gonna be awesome. Alright, this is Orange Hat Vlogger with his opening up of his new camcorder. Signing off. Bye!